Hey everybody, welcome back. Today's weekly plan with me is another collab. Hopefully you've seen my February monthly collab with Rosie Plans and her video as well. I'll link those down below in case you haven't seen those. But this collab is with my planner buddy TWYLA from Simply Plans, and she's pretty awesome. She's been so sweet and so kind to me since I did this deep dive back into the planner world and started my planner Instagram and kind of all that good stuff. She is really creative. She's a happy planner and she does a great job using the actual happy planner stickers and books, which I need to do that, but I just keep buying these kits. This kit, we are both using the same kit, so this will be really fun to see how it turns out. This kit is a printable from the Planner Shack, so you buy the kit. I ended up getting mine for like $2.45 because I found a coupon in their Facebook group, in the Planner Shack Facebook group. And so then I just printed it on sticker paper and then used a gyro cut. Thank you to one of you who suggested that I get that. That thing has changed my life. And so I have this like perfect little kit ready to go. I'm so pumped. So I think it'll be really fun to see like the difference between our, you know, like our styles and our kits and how we use them. And it looks like I didn't cut some of these stickers out, but I do have, I think I'm going to throw these in because these are the Valentine bow headers from So Cute Planner. Another one of my favorite places to buy stickers from because they are ready to ship, and so they come pretty fast, or at least it seems like they're ready to ship because they ship out so fast. And these glitter bow headers just came. I'm filming this a little bit early because I'm just not sure what's going to happen with my shoulder. So I'm trying to get ahead of the game, especially since this is a collab. And I think I'll use, I don't know if I'm going to use this like double vertical box of deco, but I am going to use some of, I cut out a couple of the things, or I like, you know, kiss cut a couple of the things on this deco page to use. But I really am loving all of the boxes and the headers in this kit. I mean, kill me. Those are so cute. These bows with hearts and florals and gold bows, and these date covers are so beautiful. So I don't know. Let's get to planning though. Let's see if there is headers in this kit and I've just somehow missed it. Oh my gosh, this kit is huge. I forgot to tell you that. Look at, these are the like ombre boxes, more ombre boxes and the littles. And all the other littles. Okay, did I miss? Maybe there is not a washi header in this. I thought there was. Huh. That's interesting. I do have these little skinny washies, so I think I'm gonna have to put these at the top to cover up these big dates instead of using those at the bottom. But the fun thing about this kit being a printable is that I could print some more. I could print that page again if I wanted to. If you haven't started using these printable, like any printable stickers yet, I highly recommend it. It is so cost effective and just, they're so pretty too. Well, this seems like it's a little short. If you watched my my February monthly, you saw firsthand that I am just still a little struggle bussy with getting my headers on. I basically ate it with a glitter overlay, like a glitter header, like overlay or whatever those things are called. I don't even know. Honestly, I have a hard time even remembering what shop what is coming from. Oh my gosh, this is so crooked. Oh gosh. Just having some fun here doing real crooked stickers. I think I'll get those date covers down next. I had one of my date covers on upside down in my last video. Monday was upside down and I had to legitimately completely like take it off and turn it right side up. I printed these in 2 different qualities on, like, I was just kind of testing the print settings on my printer. So a couple of these pages are a little bit more peach and the other ones are a little bit more pink. But at that point I was kind of like, it's fine. I'm not going to reprint it. So you can kind of see a little bit of the color like difference in there, but you know, I can't get my stickers on straight. So you think that a little bit of color variation is going to bother me? No. If this was at work, then yeah, it would totally bother me. Like I am such like a makeup perfectionist. Matching everything, like foundation, every single client I make a custom shade for. I never just use a shade on somebody. I always mix their custom shade because foundations like want you to think that you're one size fits all, or you know, like that a million people are this tone, but it's really not. That's not how it works. So that's not how I treat my clients. Okay, this is where do you feel the difference? I think this month I'm off work again this month, you guys, for my shoulder while I'm rehabbing it. And I really think I'm gonna get a silhouette. So I won't be cutting these by hand anymore unless I can't figure out how to use my silhouette. I'm like so curious. I can't wait to see TWYLA's video. She's a really good planner. Same with Rosie, who I did my collab with last week. Both of them are very good decorative planners. Rosie tells me all the time that I have a unique planning style. And, you know, sometimes when people are like, oh, what a unique outfit, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm actually terrible at this. But I think she just means I don't do it like everybody else does it. And honestly, she's like so sweet, so I take it as a compliment. And I should have taken the time to cut the whites off of those. That looks so much better. Let's just do that now, guys. Somehow my phone is linked to my Mac Mini. I don't know how to unlink it. And my phone's on silent, but my Mac is on. And so now you can hear text messages coming in, like banging on my computer, and I do not know how to unlink it. It drives me crazy. Because if I'm in my office, and my phone rings, it rings through my computer. Wow. Now we see the problem. Okay. I'm just gonna leave that. Maybe find a piece of deco to go right there. Maybe I'll do that right now. I think I keep hitting the camera. What would be really cute right there is these little heart balloons. You know, it is what it is. It's fine. By the time this gets all full and my crazy like week everything fills up, nobody's gonna even notice that. So the 14th is Thursday, which makes me feel like I should put this box across like Thursday and Friday. Normally, well, I prefer to put that over the weekend because I have generally less things occupying my time on the weekends. So actually I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. So drop me some info down below in the comments. That's really a cute box right there. Okay, so I would typically work from kind of starting with where I would place my Monday box, but I'm gonna have to work backwards a little bit and figure out which one I want. I think I do want this box for Valentine's Day, so I'll put it down here. Because I want to put this one, this cute little heart Valentine balloon, or I'll do the balloons one on Tuesday because it's the day I'm going to go to Disneyland with Rosie. So this heel looks like a very Friday night kind of sticker. This is such a cute kit from the Planner Shack. I think this cute little Love Hearts one from Monday would be good, just to get everybody in the Valentine mood for the week. Stick a couple of those So Cute planner bows on. I might bring some more of those in at some point as well. And let me think about the larger boxes that I want to use. Mondays are always a pretty busy day for me, so I feel like it's best if I do one of those boxes on Mondays. Okay, this is kind of winding down in terms of getting a little bit on the fuller side of things. I definitely need, this will be a busy day since this is like an off day. This is the perfect place to put a 3-box. Actually, I end up using those a ton. They're so helpful. So I probably am going to bring another one of those in on Thursday. And then I've started putting my, like one of these ombre boxes on like Sunday, because then I can start kind of like, I just use that to accumulate my like next week's worth of stuff. Or sometimes it's like all the stuff that didn't get done this week that I wasn't able to check off my to-do list. I just sort of like pile it on Sunday and see if I can't get it done. And there is a next week box. It looks like a date cover. Let me see if I can't find it. Okay, I like that. That's really cute. That turned out great. Oh, I'm also going to use Wild Summer Designs date dots because I have those. So 11. I'm sure if I use my tweezers, it would go on better. 12. much like taken up every bit of space possible, because I do need to leave some white space because that's just how I like it. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you'll go check out TWYLA's video and her channel and her Instagrams. She posts some great pictures on Instagram. So thank you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Love you.